Can cooking fumes trigger a smoke detector? Have you ever been cooking a delicious meal only to have your smoke detector go off unexpectedly? It can be quite frustrating. So, can cooking fumes really trigger a smoke detector? Let's break it down and find out how this works. Smoke detectors are essential devices designed to keep us safe by detecting smoke particles in the air. There are two main types of smoke detectors: ionization and photoelectric. Ionization detectors use a small amount of radioactive material to sense smoke particles, while photoelectric detectors utilize a light source and a sensor to detect smoke. Now, when it comes to cooking, especially frying, grilling, or broiling, the fumes produced can create tiny particles that resemble smoke. These particles can be dense enough to set off smoke detectors. Photoelectric detectors are particularly sensitive to larger particles, which means they are more likely to trigger an alarm from cooking fumes. This is why many kitchens experience false alarms, especially if there is poor ventilation. So, what can you do to minimize these false alarms? First, proper ventilation is key. Using a range hood or simply opening windows while you cook can help reduce the concentration of cooking fumes in the air. This simple step can make a big difference in keeping your smoke detector quiet while you prepare your meal. Next, consider the placement of your smoke detectors. It is best not to install them directly in the kitchen. Instead, place them in hallways leading to the kitchen. This way, you can still be alerted to smoke from a fire without the nuisance of false alarms from cooking. Another option is to use heat detectors in the kitchen. Unlike smoke detectors, heat detectors are triggered by excessive heat rather than smoke particles. This can significantly reduce the chances of false alarms while you are cooking. Lastly, regular maintenance of your smoke detectors is essential. Make sure to check them regularly and replace batteries as needed. Cleaning the sensors can also help prevent false alarms caused by dust or debris. By understanding how cooking fumes interact with smoke detectors and applying these practical strategies, you can maintain a safe home environment. This knowledge is vital for effective home emergency planning and ensuring your safety while cooking.